What is the new LG SoundPlate? It's a bold new direction for home theater audio. It provides an amazing 4.1 channel experience from your TV. It sets up in just minutes, and its sleek, slim design looks beautiful beneath your flat screen. SoundPlate pairs elegantly with today's best televisions, with models that can support TVs up to 83 pounds, and with screens ranging from 32 to 55-inch classes. As great as SoundPlate looks, it sounds even better. LG's exclusive 4.1 multi-channel surround system creates a big, lush sound field that lets you hear your entertainment in a whole new way. The 4 premium speakers inside fill your room with rich, clear dialogue, music, and effects. And if you appreciate deep, strong bass, don't worry. The LG SoundPlate features either twin built-in subwoofers or, on our top-of-the-line LAB540 model, a wireless outboard subwoofer for movies and music with the power you've been missing. The 540 also includes a Blu-ray disc player built into the SoundPlate, along with our award-winning Smart TV functionality. The LG SoundPlate connects to the TV quickly and easily. The LAP240 and LAP340 model SoundPlates use a single digital optical cable, which is included right in the box, while the 540 uses HDMI and digital optical cables, both sold separately. All SoundPlate models offer versatile Bluetooth streaming from compatible smartphones and tablets too. The LG SoundPlate combines striking design and powerful sound in one elegant accessory.